Are you tired of studying English for years but still struggling to speak fluently? Do you understand English but freeze when it's time to speak? Do you want to finally express your thoughts clearly and confidently in real conversations? You're not alone. Most English learners face this problem, but the good news is there's a solution. This video is your complete guide to transforming your English speaking skills using simple daily habits, practical techniques, and real mindset. Stay with me because what you're about to learn can change the way you speak English forever. Speaking English fluently and confidently is a powerful skill that can transform your life. It opens doors to better job opportunities, deeper social connections, and personal growth, but many learners struggle to speak fluently even after years of study. The problem is not their ability, it's their method. This video will guide you step by step on how to become fluent and confident in English. It's not about talent, but it's about building habits and using the right strategies. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do, how to practice, and how to stay motivated for long-term results. The real meaning of fluency. Fluency is not about speaking fast using big words or sounding like a native speaker. Fluency means speaking clearly, smoothly, and without long pauses. It's about expressing your thoughts naturally and confidently, even if your grammar or pronunciation is not perfect. You don't need to be perfect, you need to be understood. That's real fluency, and it can be achieved with the right mindset and consistent practice. Why learners stay stuck. There are three main reasons why learners stay stuck at the beginner or intermediate level. First, fear of speaking. They worry about making mistakes and sounding foolish. Second, translating from their native language. This slows them down and creates hesitation. Third, lack of real speaking practice. Reading and writing are not enough. Speaking is a muscle. You must train it daily to build fluency. Daily speaking practice routine. Set a daily time to practice speaking, even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes. Speak out loud alone. Talk about your day, describe objects, or explain ideas. Stand in front of a mirror and speak to yourself confidently. Use voice recording to hear your own pronunciation and clarity. Repeat and shadow native speakers. Copy their rhythm, tone, and sentence patterns. Do this every day and your fluency will grow naturally. How to think in English. Stop translating in your head. Learn to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts like I am walking, I need water, I feel tired. Gradually increase the complexity of your thoughts. Describe what you see around you. Use English when thinking about your tasks and plans. Change your phone language to English. Watch English content. Read English signs and menus. The more English you see and hear, the easier it becomes to think in it. How to grow vocabulary for speaking. Don't memorize long lists of difficult words. Learn useful everyday vocabulary. Listen to conversations, watch shows, and note down common phrases. Practice those words by using them in your own sentences. Focus on words used in real-life situations like greetings, questions, and opinions. Review new words regularly and speak them aloud to remember them deeply. Learning 5 practical words a day and using them builds strong vocabulary quickly. How to build confidence. Confidence is built through repetition. Speak even when you're nervous. Speak when you don't feel ready. Start with simple sentences and increase gradually. Set challenges like talking for 5 minutes without stopping. Record your progress and listen weekly to hear your improvement. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They are proof you are learning. Celebrate small wins. Stay focused on your own journey, not others. How to practice with real conversations. Practice simulated conversations. Speak both sides of a dialogue like ordering food or meeting a new person. Use role plays to prepare for real situations. Join online speaking groups or apps that connect English learners. Use video shadowing. Pause, repeat, and mimic real English dialogues from videos or podcasts. Practicing real conversations helps you respond quickly and naturally. Overcoming plateaus in learning. Every learner experiences a point where progress feels slow. This is normal, it's called a plateau. To break through, change your methods. Try new topics, speak about different subjects, or use English in learning other skills. Challenge yourself with new vocabulary or faster shadowing. Practice consistently even when you don't see immediate progress. Small steps daily create big change over time. Final tips for long-term fluency. Practice speaking daily even if it's just for a short time. Think in English throughout the day. Use real-life situations to practice vocabulary. Speak clearly, not perfectly. Record and review your progress regularly. Don't fear mistakes. Use English as part of your daily life, not just in study time. Watch, listen, read, and speak English every chance you get. The more English you use, the more fluent you become. Conclusion. Fluency is not something you are born with. It's something you build step by step with smart strategies and daily speaking practice. You already have the tools, you just need consistency. Start today. Speak aloud, think in English. Record yourself and keep growing. You will speak fluently and confidently if you don't give up. Your journey starts now. So take action, speak your first sentence and never stop speaking. If this video helped you understand how to speak English fluently and confidently, then don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful English learning content. Your support helps us create more valuable lessons for you. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.